a week. Ngayon lang ata hindi. Because I have this. But they're taping somewhere in Bataan, I think. But every day we see each other. We have something pinasay. But imagine, even the weekends, we see each other. So like, there's no reason for us to like, really detach from one another. I can see no reason for them to create an issue regarding the both of us. So it's just so funny na naglalabasan yung mga to just because we're doing projects separately. It's, for me, it's something you do as an artist to grow.
That's right. Malapit niyo yung binibini.
Ay,
We've been anticipating.
actually, naka-sign up na ako. Gusto abangan niyo ako. Pangarap ko naman talaga yan. Beauty queen ever since. But then I feel like it's not yet the right time. I have to wait for the right timing. It's all about timing. So, baka mga further pa, mga 20 plus years old pa. Right now, I'm gonna enjoy my career as an artist. But syempre naman, Diyos ko, game ako dyan. Ako pa ba?